Hello and welcome. Let's discuss this question that came in the year 2015 and is related to the topic climatology. The question is, each day is more or less same. The morning is clear and bright with a sea breeze. As the sun climbs high in the sky, heat mounts up, dark clouds form, then rain comes with thunder and lightning. But rain is soon over. Which of the following regions is described in the above passage? To understand this question, let's look at this diagram. This diagram gives description of hot wet equatorial climate along with other types of climate as the latitude goes northwards. So this hot wet equatorial climate or equatorial rainforest is between 0 to 10 degree north and as well as in southern hemisphere 0 to 10 degrees south. Now in hot wet equatorial climate, sun shines during the day because of this heat is generated, and because of this cumulonimbus cloud is formed. Cumulonimbus clouds are basically rain bearing clouds. Cumulo means it has cauliflower shaped clouds, and nimbus means rain bearing. So these are rain bearing clouds which brings thunder and lightning and heavy rainfall in hot wet equatorial climate each day. So each day there is a term known as 4 o'clock shower in equatorial region. This shower gets soon over, and again on next day because of the sun there is heat and then again cloud formation. Thunder is related to cumulonimbus cloud. As suppose this is cumulonimbus cloud. Basically these are the cations and these are anions. Because of interaction, positive charge in the upper clouds, negative charge in the lower clouds. Because of interaction there is thunder. This is the reason behind thunder in cumulonimbus clouds. So as we move polewards, there is decrease in precipitation. And the reason behind this decrease is decrease in temperature as we move polewards. Hence we can see dryness as we move polewards. Also as we move polewards, there is decrease in biodiversity. So we can say that precipitation and biodiversity are related to each other. The more precipitation gives vegetation of varied nature. Hence we can find thousands of species in equatorial rainforest, equatorial evergreen forest, but single strands of species can be seen in coniferous forest. So the species diversity decreases as we move polewards. In the options, various other forests that are given are monsoon forests, Mediterranean forests and shrubs, and equatorial rainforest. In monsoon forest, because of seasonal reversal of wind, there can be rainfall in summer season. So we know that in equatorial rainforest there is everyday rainfall, whereas in monsoon forest there is seasonal rainfall and there is short dry winter season. Whereas precipitation in coniferous forest is mostly in the form of snow. Because of low temperature. So if we look into the question again, the answer for this is equatorial rainforest. Now similar nature question came in 2014 as well. The seasonal reversal of winds is the typical characteristic of equatorial climate, Mediterranean climate, monsoon climate, or all of the above climates. Now, in previous discussion, we saw that equatorial climate is not seasonal in nature, not seasonal, as each day similar nature rainfall can be seen or similar nature climate is there. So there is no seasonality. So if we eliminate equatorial climate, automatically all of the above climates can be eliminated. Now in between B and C, monsoon climate has seasonality because of reversal of winds. Why this reversal is happening is because of change in pressure. Change in pressure trade winds also affect monsoon. Shift in ITCZ, intertropical convergence zone, these are the main conditions because of which there is seasonality and because of which there is reversal of winds. Now what happens when there is change in pressure? Suppose, let us consider India for that matter. Now here when Tibet gets heated, extremely low pressure condition is formed. Now what happens when here there is low pressure and around equator there is comparatively high pressure, so it will attract the monsoonal winds because of intense heating of Tibetan plateau. Intense heating of Tibetan plateau. Also during summers, the ITCZ shift northwards. Intertropical convergence zone shifts northward. And this gives space to the monsoonal wind to come into the Indian landmass. So that is the reason of reversal of winds. During winter, ITCZ shifts southwards and thus during summers, onshore winds onshore means from sea to land. During winters, offshore winds. That is from land to sea. here there will be more rainfall when there is onshore condition. During offshore condition, since the wind is going from land to sea, there is less moisture as compared to onshore condition. Hence, during onshore, there will be more rainfall. So, during summers, there will be more rainfall. Considering this, C will be our answer. So, this diagram explains equatorial rainforest, monsoon rainforest, and as far as Mediterranean forest is concerned, a typical characteristic of Mediterranean forest is winter rainfall. This is because of onshore conditions during winter. And also effect of westerlies. Westerlies is permanent winds in temperate zone. Whereas trade winds are permanent winds in tropical zone. So this is the condition of Mediterranean forest or Mediterranean type of climate. Thank you.